Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can become a popcorn on Dress to Impress. So use any yellow color you like, and we're going to use the cupcake one. And for this one, we're actually going to color it in red. You can use any red you like. I like the dark one. And then I'm just going to color the rest this yellow color. You can add in like just a touch of like lighter colors to make it, I guess, more popcorn-ish, but just like a little bit like that maybe. Let me adjust the color to this one a little, make it like that maybe. Okay, so next we are going to use this from the first set, and we're going to color that yellow, of course, and then we're going to hold the apple and we're going to make that yellow for that bitter popcorn. It's like mischievous. And then for the hair, I am going to use this one. And then I'm also going to use, sorry, I just opened this one too. And then one more, trying to find those two buttons, there we go. I want to use like this one, like that. And then for the pose, you are going to just use the pose from the K-pop one, which is the villain one. I think it's from the K-pop pose pack, yeah. And that is how you can become a popcorn on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.